I don't get to see a sunrise very often, but I'm not at work today. Well, I better get going. There's a lot to accomplish today. Well, I'm headed to the tire shop. I need to get a new set of tires on my stock trailer. The ones on it right now are so bad, I don't trust it enough to drag it across the yard. So I'm getting some new tires on the trailer today. Well, we're just about fixed up and ready to go. I should have showed you a picture of those tires before I took off. Them things were flat, dry rotted. I'm surprised they even held air long enough to get to the tire shop. Hey Charlie, what are you up to? That ought to last me a lifetime. Looking at that, that looks pretty terrible. Maybe I should have got a new set of wheels while I was there. Well, anyway, maybe next time. Now that's perfect timing. I have a delivery and it's on its way. I went ahead and dropped that stock trailer off here behind me. That's not the ideal place to leave it, but the gentleman is bringing out the shed today. And I had to leave room up there because he's gonna need a place to turn around in the yard, and that's where the shed's gonna be. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit and wait for him to get here. So we got the shed on blocks and leveled out. Let's see how long it takes me to fill it up with stuff. A 10 by 16, just not as big as it sounds. I believe I'm gonna have to put me a loft in here so I can get more stuff in here. I know I didn't get much footage today. If you've ever ran around with a camera trying to film yourself, you know how time consuming it is. But I did get a few things taken care of that'll be very important to me in the future. I appreciate y'all watching today. And if this is your first time here, be sure to hit that little red button in the corner. And I'll catch y'all next time here at Diddle Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.